Hi, welcome to another BookIT tutorial. Today we're going to look at how to book an installation appointment where a project does not yet exist in the system. So if you're not using any of the features above, if you're not using the sample register or the measure calendar, our quoting function, and you just want to use our installation calendar, this tutorial will show you how to book an installation appointment from scratch. So I'm going to go to my installation calendar here. I'm going to find a day that I'm happy with or that the customer's happy with. I'm going to see here Braden's available on Tuesday the 24th. I'm going to click on that spot. So the system's going to ask to select or create a new project. So like I mentioned before, if we did have a project in the system, we could search for that project. But for the sake of this tutorial, we're just going to create a new project from scratch. So click on Create New Project. We're going to need to create a new customer if the customer or the builder isn't already in the system. I'm going to create a new customer here. Put in the customer's phone number and email address if you've got one. Select an account manager and search for an address. Click Continue. The next step is to put in the project information. Again, if the customer information is going to be the same as the project information, we can just click this little Use Customer Details button. That will autofill that. If you'd like to change the project name, you might just want it to be the customer's last name and maybe the address or street. You can do that there if you like. Click Continue. The system's going to ask us to book a measure, but obviously as we're just booking an installation appointment, we don't need to book a measure appointment. So we click Skip. Scope of work, so what are we doing? Say we're doing carpet, 25 meters. Is it furniture, uplift, floor prep? You can put some additional notes. Your scope of work may differ to this scope of work depending if you've customized yours. And then you can upload a file obviously as well here. Click Continue. You can choose to do a quote and your costings in this area. If you're already booking the installation, chances are you have probably completed your quote and the customer has already accepted it. So we'll click Skip. And then we're going to book in the installation. So we've already got the date here for the 24th. If you'd like to select multiple days, just click Additional Days here. I'm just going to do this over one day. The installer is already selected for us. Our full day is highlighted, so if I want to unhighlight those slots, I just click at the top here. If I'd like to remove slots, I can select the individual slots. So this would indicate that we are booking this job in for the first half of the day. If we're booking the job in for the full day, you can highlight all of the slots. Finally, select the status. So are we penciling it with the installer or are we ready to confirm it with the installer? I'm going to confirm this job with the installer, and my calendar display text, I'm just going to write in here, I'm going to put 30 meters carpet. Click Save. We look at our board view now. We'll be able to see that job is booked in. Today is Tuesday, so that's why the box is colored a little bit lighter than these other boxes. If we want to reschedule that, we can pick it up and move it to another day. So we've just moved that from the Tuesday the 24th to Thursday the 26th, and there it is there. Thanks for watching.